This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Incredible home on a 0.21 acre lot west/RV parking, a beautiful yard including a nice patio, raised bed gardens, flowing waterfall into a serene koi pond, hot tub and access to a huge finished shop. Spacious living room flows into a nice dining room, large kitchen west/granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a pantry and a second eating area flows into a attached family room west/a gas fireplace. Master suite with vaulted ceilings, custom lighting, walk-in closet, walk-in shower and DBL sinks. This home shines. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.